In this video, I will show how to create family tree using Microsoft Excel. So guys, this type you will get a ready to use template in Excel. You can print it, so you can make changes as your requirement. You can change color, style. So click on new and here search photo family. Press enter and here click on this photo family tree and create. Capture your family lineage with this pre-formatted and customizable photo family tree template for Excel. This photo family tree template is perfect for now. Here just click on create. Now enter your family name. Now here you can make changes. You can change color, style and photo. Just select it. Then once you double click, so here the option change picture and select your picture. Change picture and select your picture, father name and birth year. So this way you can make changes, and once you done, click on file and print. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you. And once you double click on any element, you will get this property like this. So thanks for watching.